Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friends, welcome to Entri. Here is Mr. Shambeg and today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic. Look at the topic, Sebi Grade A job profile, and you know that it is one of the most precious job, alright, and a highly reputed job. So before you get selected, you need to know about this so you can make a dream of this kind of a job and get motivated while preparing for this particular examination. As you know that Sebi has third time extended its last date, okay, and it is in the last of October, last end of the October. Now what we are going to discuss, we are going to discuss about the job profile and salary and responsibilities, growth. All the things will be discussed in this video. Alright, so let's move on and let's see what kind of a job profile is Sebi Grade A. Sebi Grade A, you can clearly see that first, once you get selected, you will undergo a training process. Once you get selected, you will undergo a training process as a Sebi Grade A officer. You would undergo a fixed training program, okay. It is usually conducted by Sebi. Headquarters located in Mumbai. So probation of Sebi will be of 2 years. You have to know that there will be a probation period. I believe these are the formalities of every government sector job, okay. So because aspirant can clear this kind of probation period, a normal aspirant can clear with ease, okay. A normal aspirant can clear it with ease, so you don't have to worry about it. Just focus on your job and keep working with honesty, okay. Bond, there is no such bond, okay. There is no such bond, no bond. So first of all, beware of the job frauds, because there is no such bond for Sebi Grade A job profile. Remember that. So it is a good thing. Let's move on. Some more points. Posting of Sebi. Look, after getting selected Sebi Grade A officer, you would be posted at any of the regional office, of Sebi. But in the majority of the cases, you will be normally getting a major cities, okay. Normally getting a major city. Let's say that it is a high possibility that you will get Delhi or Mumbai and all the metro cities, you can say that, okay. Responsibilities and duties, as mentioned in the Sebi 2020 notification for Grade A officer post, there are different streams for which Grade A officer is selected. So there are certain posts, okay. Each stream or department has a specific set of functions which you have to perform. These functions and duties would be made clear to you after joining and also in training. So whichever role you are going to assign, it will be informed way ahead before the joining, okay. Or you can say in the training. Working hours, normal working, these are normal working hours, 9 to 5. Okay, so 9 to 5, that is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So these are the normal working hours. Yes, these timings may vary based on the workload or department. So the workload increases in the month of financial year end. Okay, in the month of financial year end, that is in March. So you have to perform according to the situation. All right. So let's move on and let's see what the other things. Sebi Grade A job profile. Again, the promotion of a Sebi Grade A officer 2020. The first promotion of Sebi Grade A officer is eligible for is to Sebi Grade B officer. Okay. The period of service required for this promotion is usually 3 years. Sorry. So usually 3 years, you need to perform 3 years constantly, or you can say continuously, to get promoted. However, it could vary depending on the Grade B vacancies or other internal promotion policies of Sebi. You would also need to appear in a promotion test to get the promotion. So there are certain rules and procedures you need to follow to get promoted. Okay, but the main thing is that the period of service required for this promotion is usually 3 years. So you have to work for 3 years, and then you can apply for promotion. How can you apply for promotion? Look at this. Grade A assistant manager. You'll start with grade A assistant manager. As I have told you that this job profile is of assistant manager. Okay, assistant manager. Then you will be promoted with grade B manager, and after that grade C assistant general manager. You can say AGM. It sounds good. And after that grade D deputy manager, deputy manager. Grade E general manager, GM. Grade F chief general manager. Okay, so these are the promotion criteria. Once you reach there, you will be on a top post, or you can say on the board. So these are the things you need to understand. These are the job profile of a Sebi grade A officer, and this is the promotion. Okay, promotion. Salary. Now here comes the most important part, because most of the aspirants are looking for this segment. Look at this. What is Sebi grade A monthly in hand salary? Okay, Sebi grade A officer can earn a gross salary of 1,07,000 per month. Okay, without accommodation, and 73,000 per month with accommodation. This amount includes NPS contribution, grade allowances, special allowances, DA, HRA. So all the things will be included in this salary. Look at this. Your basic pay is 28,150 rupee per month. Okay, and your pay scale will be like this over the years. So you need to keep performing, and I'm sure you will be promoted as the time progress. Okay. Salary details. I know the values mentioned in the pay scale column above the little confusing. Don't worry, I'll explain it to you. Okay, so this is the explaining part. In the first year, the Sebi grade A officer basic pay was 28,150. These would be for annual increments, 1550. So after 5 years, your basic pay would be 34450. You can calculate on that. From 6 to 12 years of your service, 7 years that is, you will get an annual increment of 1750. Okay, so at the end of 12th year, your service, your basic pay would become 46,600. So it is you can say the channel we have created. All right, slots we have created, so you can easily watch the slots. Okay, EB stands for efficiency bar. Then the next 4 annual increments would be 1,750, thus taking the basic pay to 53,600. Next annual increment would be 2,000, which means the basic pay would be 55,600 at the end of 17th year. So, but these are the basic pay. Imagine when you get 28,150 as a basic pay, your salary, your gross salary has increased to your gross salary has become 1,07,000. So imagine if it doubles it, then your gross salary will increase to above 2 lakh or 3 lakh, because as your basic pay increases, your allowances will also increase according to the grade of your position. Okay, so it depends on the growth. Salary, don't worry about the salary will get increased. Don't look at 1750 annual increment, or you can say 2000 annual increment. You'll say that after 17 year I will still be able to get 2000, just 2000. So don't worry about it. These are the basic pay increment. Once your basic pay will increase, your allowances will also increase according to, let's say that you are traveling, you have a visit to, you have to visit a particular branch. What would you do? You will go to the particular city and you will stay in a hotel. So let's take an example. Let's say that your clerk, or you can say assistant, will stay in a 3-star hotel. So you can get the you can get you can get to stay in 5-star hotel because your grade is way much higher than your assistant. So these are the leverages you will get once you increase your grade. Okay. Allowances. So there are certain allowances, or you can say DA, family allowances, local allowances, house cleaning, and more. Benefits: leave fare concession. You can get leave fare concession. Okay, medical reimbursement, eye refraction, education, financial dailies, book grant, briefcase, conveyance, staff furnishing, computers purchasing, and subsidized lunch facility. So you look at this. These are the benefits and allowances of a Sebi grade A officer. Okay, imagine when you reached in the 17th year of your service, you will be eligible for more allowances. So these are the things a Sebi grade A officer enjoys. Okay, so if you want to get this kind of a job, just remember that you need to focus on your study and keep preparing and keep motivating yourself. So that's it from my side, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you like this, share, comment, and subscribe our YouTube channel. And on Entri app, you can go and watch all the videos of our high quality faculties, and you can watch demo videos on YouTube, on this YouTube channel as well. So you are free to move that. Okay, so keep watching Entri. Till then, thank you.